So before we start drawing our closed fist, we're going to look at the shapes that are inside our drawing. So you can see here we have the same rectangular palm shape in both the open hand and the closed fist. You have those same lines for your knuckles that you have in your open hand. So you can see how the similarities match up in each drawing. If you look as well, the thumb shape, see how you've got that triangle line there. So the same shapes exist in both hand drawings. And as you start to see the shapes, this will help you with your drawing. So let's start drawing. So for this one, we're going to start with this side. Okay, so this fist this way. And remember this palm, that's the same shape, okay? So that's the same. So this is a closed fist, okay? So this here, we've got that same shape that we're working with, okay? All right, that's the same shape. That hasn't changed. Then we've got our knuckles. So what I like to do is, again, divide the palm into those spaces. Now, if I look here, I think I actually want to make this a bit thinner, kind of exaggerate that a little bit, right? Then my thumb, so just hold your hand and decide how's your thumb going to go. So from here, mine's going out, right? It's sort of like a triangle shape. So we're just going to start with the triangle like that, all right? For the knuckles, my knuckles are pronounced. Now you can see here, the first one. So just do like little hills and valleys, right? Okay, you might want to do them a little bit higher, like make them more pronounced. And I think I see like a little fold of skin there, so I'm also going to do that. And then I can see some other fold of skin here too. So I'm sort of doing. Then I'm going to look here at this triangle. So the triangle, if I look at it, is actually, there's a little bump here and a bigger bump here. So bump there. So I'm looking at the shape all the time, see? Go up and then look at curves in. So let's do that curve coming in. See there? Curve coming in. And this fatty bit, right? It's quite fatty this time, because you can see lots of skin curves there, okay? So you got 1, 2, 3, all right? Now, so what I want us to do for this one is I want us to go over with a black marker. So go over your knuckle. So you've got your little hills and valleys there on the top of your closed fist. And look at the shape of your hand as you do this. So then you've got the shape of your thumb. You've got the fleshy curved bits on the back and the straight parts at the front. Make sure to get those little details there in your thumb joint. Then you've got the palm of your hand. I'm just adding a few little creases here, and just make sure that anywhere you can see little creases, joints, add them into. Then you can rub out any of your pencil lines. You're just left with the crisp black marker. Now let's have a look and see what else we could add to this. So here you could do a little bit more shadow shading. But you have a very good closed fist there.